In today's competitive manufacturing world, machine safety isn't just a regulatory checkbox. It's a strategic pillar of success. Safety managers who view guarding as an investment rather than an obligation are discovering its ripple effects: fewer injuries, less downtime, stronger morale, and higher output. This guide breaks down why safety guarding is essential, not only for compliance, but also for long-term operational performance. We'll explore how data-backed strategies lead to measurable ROI, and how you can make them work for your facility. The consequences of inadequate guarding extend far beyond injury statistics. Direct costs include medical bills, workers' compensation, and equipment damage. Indirect costs, such as retraining, downtime, lawsuits, and lost reputation, often exceed the direct expenses. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports over 18,000 machine-related injuries annually, many with life-altering outcomes. A single incident can cost a manufacturer hundreds of thousands of dollars, but when done right, proactive safety improvements yield substantial savings. While OSHA 1910, Subpart O, and ANSI B11 series define minimum requirements, industry leaders aim much higher. Benefits of exceeding compliance include lower injury rates and insurance premiums, improved uptime and production metrics, greater employee satisfaction and retention, and a stronger brand reputation with customers and investors. Liberty Mutual research found that for every $1 spent on safety, companies receive a $4.06 return. In short, safer facilities are more productive and more profitable. Companies that excel in safety consistently outperform peers. Proof in numbers shows that Dow Jones Sustainability Index leaders demonstrate consistent financial outperformance, and safety is a metric. Facilities with robust safety programs report up to 40% fewer downtime incidents. A 25% increase in overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, was recorded after safety upgrades at a Tier 1 automotive supplier. It's time to stop treating safety as overhead. It's a performance enhancer. To achieve machine safety success, start by conducting a risk assessment using ISO 12100 or ANSI B11.0 frameworks to identify hazards, assess likelihood and severity, and document corrective actions. Tools to use include job hazard analyses, haze-up studies, and risk matrices. Next, upgrade your guarding technology. Outdated or improvised guards are accidents waiting to happen. Effective options include fixed guards for high-risk zones, interlocked guards with safety switches, light curtains and pressure mats for automation, and self-adjusting guards for variable materials. Pro tip: choose modular guarding systems to scale with your operations. Automate safety responses using safety PLCs, interlocks, and connected devices to automate emergency stops, guard status alerts, and predictive maintenance triggers. The results are faster reactions, better diagnostics, and less downtime. Engage your workforce because machines don't keep people safe, trained people do. Use engagement tactics such as hosting hands-on training and refreshers, using real-world incident examples, and reinforcing with signage and safety talks. Workers who understand the why behind guarding are more likely to comply. Establish an audit and feedback loop because machine safety isn't one and done. Make it a cycle with monthly or quarterly audits, equipment performance reviews, and team feedback surveys. Use audits to continuously improve and ensure guards stay intact and compliant. Guarding should be planned, not patched together. Designing safety in from the start means faster machine access during maintenance, lower risk of bypassing guards, better operator ergonomics, and higher compliance rates. Partner with engineers and vendors who offer CAD-supported turnkey guarding systems. Different types of guards serve various functions. Fixed guards are non-removable and block access during operation, making them best for high-risk blades or conveyors. Interlocked guards stop machines when opened, ideal for robotic arms and hydraulic presses. Adjustable guards can be manually set to task requirements, suitable for saws, mills, or drills. Self-adjusting guards auto-move based on material size, perfect for cutting and feeding machines. Presence sensors stop machines when motion is detected in danger zones, applicable for automated or collaborative equipment. Consider a real-world case study of a Midwest automotive supplier that faced frequent downtime and high injury rates. They installed modular interlocked guarding, launched comprehensive safety training, and implemented digital guard status monitoring. The results after 18 months included a 60% drop in reportable incidents and a 25% increase in uptime, achieving full ROI recovery through reduced insurance premiums and lost time incidents. Safety instrumented functions, SIF, go beyond traditional safeguards by automating safety at the logic level. A SIF includes sensors to detect risk, a logic solver, e.g., safety PLC, to decide action, and a final element, like a motor shutoff or valve close. SIFs are critical in high-risk zones and can be designed to meet safety integrity levels, SIL, per IEC 62061 or ISO 13849. To ensure a successful machine safety program, follow best practices for risk assessment by using ISO ANSI tools and documenting all findings. Choose scalable, ergonomic, standards-compliant designs for guard design. Make employee training interactive and frequent. Integrate technology by using connected devices and software for real-time alerts and analytics. Lastly, focus on continuous improvement by auditing, inspecting, and adapting your plan based on feedback and incidents. Machine guarding is no longer just a legal requirement, it's a competitive advantage. The data is clear. Facilities that invest in machine safety achieve higher output, lower costs, and more engaged employees. As a safety manager, you have the opportunity to lead from the front by championing machine safety, not just for compliance, but for business excellence. Want to elevate your facility's safety and production metrics? Schedule a machine guarding audit with PowerSafe Automation and find out how safer guarding can transform your bottom line.